Okay, we talked about two ways to post to an order, but there are vendor payments that are not to an order, okay? And one of the ways that we would post something like that is accounting money out, and you're going to select the paying account here, and we can set up a new office payment here. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna just go ahead and write or post it to Studio Designer for a regular recurring payment. Let's just say 5124. Let's just do a Studio Designer recurring software subscription. Okay, so mine's getting automatically coded to software expense. And this is how I would post it. Save and close. Whoops, I don't know if you could see that. I think it's cutting off on the screen. But now you can see that it's red here. It's basically warning me to post. Okay. If I wanted to make this a recurring template, okay, for example, like let's just say I wanted to use this Starbucks one, there's templates. Doesn't mean it auto posts or regularly posts this. It means we have templates for things that we might commonly use. So in this case, I'm going to say the restaurants. We're going to go in, we're going to edit it. We're going to unselect hold up here. And I'm going to just change the date. And let's just say it's not Starbucks. Whoops. Let's say it's Olive Garden. I don't know. So see how now I'm going to just keep typing that in, and I'm going to do $48. Okay. That is how we get that in. If I wanted to code it, job cost it to a client, does not mean it bills the client. I can enter that information here. It just means it jobs it. If I wanted to post to possibly get reimbursed, there's a way to do that in through here, and I have a separate video on how to do that. Okay, this is just how to post vendor payments two ways, okay? And I did vendor payments on orders, but this is vendor payments on overhead, on things that are not on a project, or they could be, okay? Let me know if there's questions. Give us a thumbs up. Put questions in the comments, like, post, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.